In this quick video guide, we're going to explore a website where we can create graphic design colors, so to use for printed or digital graphics, and it's called Colors or Coolors with two O's, and it has a lot of tools that we can use like palette generator and pickers. We can use images to generate palettes, and we also used this one before to check the contrast between background and text. So there are other guides about graphic design. So from Google, we access to colors.co, and we're gonna start from here. So we can start the generator right away. You can see we have other tools up here, and these are like the major features, major tools. We already work with the contrast checker, and then we have also others. And now here we have also extensions. We can use it with Figma, Adobe, and other apps. You can use it with Google Chrome. So you can apply this to any type of design, graphic design, web design, etc. So if we go here in the generator, we can start play with the colors. We can delete, remove colors. We could check the contrast as we already did in another video. We can change the color using similar color. We can save a color. We can drag the color inside the palette. We can copy. We can also lock a color, and we can read the hexadecimal code. Now, if we click on the plus, we can create a new one. And again, we can generate it. We can also generate it by copying and pasting the hexadecimal code, or we can just move this around, or we can also pick any color in the screen. So you have many ways to get the colors in your palette, and once you finish, you can also save the palettes. You need an account for some of the features, so you need to log in with an email, sign up with an email. You can export the palette with a URL or a PDF or image, or you can do SVG, CSS for web design, and SVG for scalable vector graphics, code. You can embed it, you can share it in social network, and so on. You can also view a quick view of the various colors in the various ways they are represented. So hexadecimal, HSL, HSB, the hue, the values of the lightness, the saturation, and all these others which are in a pro version. There is also a pro version, so for professionals, which is not for free. This is all the free version. Now you can also select an image. You can upload an image by clicking and get the image from your computer. I'm gonna use this snapshot, one other course, and I'm gonna use it to generate a palette. And then you can generate this collage with the palette and the image, which you can show to your client or to your colleague, professor, if you're doing whatever presentation. And you have the palette, you can change the aspect, and you can also change here the palette. You can make it more zoomed or less zoom. You can change the color that you want to extract from the image. So pretty handy tools, again, to work with colors, palettes, etc. Generate, you can generate only auto. We have all the others in the pro version. Then you have some other settings. Now let me go back here and let me upload again this image. So if you upload the image from here, you can also pick other colors. So you can see here I am just moving around the mouse and I am getting other colors, and we have the possibility to add, remove, and etc, etc. So we can also go save the palette, export the palette, opening the generator again. So we're back to the previous tools, and I can delete some of these I don't like. I can change the ones I want to keep. You can also get the colors from a URL or a camera, and I don't want to use a camera right now. Or you have stock images. So for example, if I get this image here, I can extract the colors. I can select the colors. I can delete the colors. I can add more colors, and then move on and save the palette, etc. Let me close this panel. Okay. And what else? So you can go back and forward first, and then you have visualize color. I think this is a really helpful tool, which is going to help you visualize the choice you made and the various colors in your palette using different types of graphics, which could be printed graphics, digital graphics, website, business card, apps, or flyer, magazine, etc., etc. So once you define the colors down here, and you can also get like another palette that you created, or you can just define it right away, real time. You can see the results. You can see the various variations that you can create, and then you have also mobile, web, UI, so user interface, branding, so logos. You can study the combination of colors in the logo. You can use it in typography, in the patterns for, again, graphic design, illustration, like vector graphics, like Illustrator or Inkscape, Figma, etc., etc. Now you can also upload here your design in SVG, so scalable vector graphics file. But again, this is a pro feature, so you need to have a better account to do this. But if you want, it's really useful. And also you can shuffle the colors around to see different options. Once you find the one that you like, you can continue here, shuffle, and it's really handy. Again, I think it's really good to do some brainstorming. You can also generate, but again, this is a pro feature, monochromatic, complementary, and so on. So you find all the variations here, but they are all pro version. And let's go back to the tool. So we saw the palette generator. We can explore other people's palettes. We can do the image picker to pick colors from an image. We can do contrast checker. We can visualize it as we are doing right now. So these are the major features. Now, again, in the tools menu, we also have some additional stuff and also other similar tools like list of colors. We can see the list of various colors that we can use with the names and divided by the main color. And then we have variants, and then we have gradients, which are generated by like 3 colors in this case. So we can select this, copy the CSS code, view in full screen, download the image. We can open it in the editor, and so on. And then we have this also gradient palette. We can make a gradient. Again, we get the colors, color picker. So this is again a standard picker, but also is giving you the hexadecimal code and the name of the color. Then again, we have Collage Maker, which we already saw. We also have a list of fonts, maybe useful for typography or people who are, again, working with infographics, so text and graphics. And then we have serif, sans serif, display, handwriting fonts, monospace, and etc., etc. These are free fonts, by the way, so you can get it also in your project. And you can also get an image again from the computer here, and so you can browse and convert an image and download it, and this will convert your image from PNG or JPEG into and GIF into bulk. So you can convert all the images if you want. And that's it. So I think it's good enough for this guide. If you want, you can continue here to explore. And if you go to exploring palettes, these are all the palettes made by other people. So you can save it, you can like it, you can use a single color, you can use the entire palette and modify it. You can see similar palettes and so on. So I think you get the idea. Now you can get your own palette and you can work yourself. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe to the channel to stay updated for more. If you want to thank us, support us, please join the channel. As a supporter, check our other courses in graphic design, layout design, web design, and much more in the website. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video guide.